Welcome everyone to Auto Xfinity channel. So today we will review a Toyota Aqua G variant and 2019 model. So first of all we will talk about the history of Aqua hybrid car. Toyota Aqua is a front wheel drive and it's a hybrid hatchback, and it was launched by Toyota Japan in December 2011. The Aqua is known as Prius C in the Western market, and it was brought in the direct competition of Honda Fit Hybrid. Both vehicles have almost identical dimensions. The car was launched with 1.5-liter internal combustion engine mated to the CVT gearbox and a full-time hybrid vehicle. The car I have is 2018 model, and there is three packages in this car: L, S and G, and later on Toyota have added the X Urban and the GS Sport version as well in Japanese market. The S package is the most abundant compared to the other two. G is far less in numbers compared to the rest. G is top of the line version, and it has cruise control along with couple of other features that are missing in the other basic variant, which is L and G. Toyota Aqua became the most successful in Japan after its launch in the last 20 years. The Toyota Prius and Aqua is the second most sold hybrid vehicle by the Japanese automaker from 2013 to 2015. Toyota Aqua became the top selling new car in Japan as well in 2017-18. The car look kind of hunch at the back when it's looking from a side, and the slanting roofline has also had its effect on the rear door windows of the car. The door from the shape of booming, if you notice it, window frame lines from the start of the front door to all the way to the end of the rear door. So let's move to the interior of this car. So this is the place, Stumpney and storage place. So we are moving toward the interior of the car. Talking about the interior of the car, the dashboard is fairly simple and it's look cheap. The build quality material of the dashboard isn't that great. The plastic felt cheap and scratchy. By the end of this test, I feel the plastic cover of the steering wheel and the seating is not that much good, but it's depend on your mood. It has a heavy design on it, and I have no clue that's the point of the design. The plastic felt sticky and ticky. The dashboard has a splash of silver and other color to at least it look nice. It is a kind of straight and drop the exterior design philosophy. You get straight edge curves and cut, but it is a driver centric. So as a driver you feel everything is in your reach. On the passenger side you get glove compartment and a deep uncovered pocket to store your thing. In the middle you have a multimedia unit, which most probably won't work since it's Japanese version, and in Europe and other Asian country we have the English version, so that's issue for us. You will find Eco and EV button under the handbrake. When Eco button press, your car favor fuel economy over everything. Your race pedal response is turned down. The AC also show down, and the car management system optimize it for the best fuel economy. Simply put, the car will automatically manage fuel inputs to optimize the air condition system for maximum fuel efficiency. So let's talk about performance. Well, this is the one place where the Aqua really takes the lead. It love to go where it is no other way to put it. The car comes with 1.5 liter and 4-cylinder DOHC internal combustion 1NZ FXE engine mated to Toyota CVT transmission. The internal combustion gives 74 horsepower and 111 Nm torque. An electric motor make around 61 horsepower combined power according to Toyota motor is 100 HP horsepower. Bear in mind that the engine is in Aqua is an update version of previous 1NZ FXE that was used in the second generation Toyota Prius. Since the car weight around 1000 kg, that engine along with the electric motor has enough juice to put a grin on your face when you push the throttle hard, but you will keep a rubber band effect when you push it hard. You push the throttle, the car takes a couple of moments to think what to do, and suddenly you feel a surge of power coming. There is a slight delay in acceleration input, the engine output, and that is a typical CVT behavior, and you will find it in most car in this transmission gearbox. So the engine is soundless in your regular driving condition, but the moment you push race pedal hard, the engine suddenly become alive and it has a nice roar to it. I love the way car responded to my foot. Initially I had a feeling that it won't be quick, but I was pleasantly surprised. The car jumped to 150 km per hour from 80 km effortlessly. The Toyota hybrid vehicle like Prius or Aqua have what it is known as a serious hybrid diversion compared to parallel hybrid in Honda vehicle like Diesel. Ride quality is just average and the suspension of the car is felt superb. So this is our today review about 2018 model Aqua G variant, which is top of the line variant in most Asian countries. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and kindly subscribe our channel and press bell notification for further video. Thank you.